Maldives is nothing less than a paradise on earth. With 99% of water and just 1% land, Maldives offers to visitors an idyllic experience like no other. The island has a reputation for best-in-class resort, beaches, landscape, and thus so far. But in the midst of turquoise waters and coral reefs, to some mysterious and interesting facts about Maldives that we are sure that can be unheard by most of us. So friends, let's get started. Fact number 1. World's first underwater cabinet meeting was held in Maldives in the year 2009. The Maldives government, led by President Mohammad Nasheed, decided to organize an underwater meeting with scuba divers and oxygen tanks replacing business suits. The reason for an underwater meeting being held was to highlight the increasing rate of global warming to the low-lying Indian Ocean. Fact number 2. Maldives is known to the fastest country in the world. With this, the island has also bagged an award by the Guinness World Records under its name. The maximum elevation of the island is 2.4 meters above the sea level, which is just 4 feet 11 inches. The highest spot in Maldives is the Willingal Island, that is 7 feet 7 inches above sea level. Fact number 3. The island was formed by an exiled Indian prince with little to no facts if the legends are to be believed. The island was first colonized by Indian in 269 BC. The kingdom was led by Sri Saundra Aditya, the son of Kalinga. Fact for number 4. Maldives is a group to more than 1190 low-lying coral islands that are gathered into 226 prime atolls. These atolls inherit the islands of Maldives and almost 106 islands having tourist resorts built for luxury stays. Only 187 of the 1190 islands have human intervention. Fact number 5. Maldives is one of the safest tourist destinations in the world. Even the very isolated resorts can be explored as forced trips without any safety concerns. Fact number 6. Because of the increasing rate of global warming, it is being suspected that Maldives is sinking. The coal levels are plummeting, and the Maldives government has implemented strict laws in order to keep the island from any further damage. Fact number 7. Maldives is known to be the smallest Islamic country. The Maldives Constitution 1997 clearly states that the citizens must be Muslims and clearly forbids following any other religion. And fact number 8. Unlike India and many other countries, Friday and Saturdays are almost weekends in Maldives. So friends, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and comment if you like the content. Also please do not forget to subscribe to this channel to receive notifications on newly added content. Thanks.